Hi everyone, dear friends. In this video, we'll show you how you can buy products in the UK nearly 3 times cheaper and sell them on eBay 5 times more expensive. I'm going to share with you one of the special gatherings about them. Ensure you watch the video until the end and subscribe to the channel. Afterwards, let's start the broadcast. But first of all, if you want to learn why people who start e-commerce and reach certain results get different outcomes than others, of course, friends, absolutely and certainly the selection of the right wholesaler. Keep this in mind. When you look at your products and eBay's renewed policies, let the products that eBay wants from us come from one point, friends, and let's send the products to the customers on time. Now, to be able to do this, it's required to have the right wholesalers. Now, I'm here to show you these accounts, my friends, but this guy asks, how do they achieve so much success? For instance, the other one has made daily sales of $4,000 to $5,000 on average for almost a month. Looking at it over a period, friends who have made close to 30 or 35,000 pounds worth of sales are like, is it really that easy? I'm not saying it's easy, but if you work with the right person, your results will be different from others, of course. The platform I'm about to show is called John Pye Auction. For those who don't know what auction is, it's kind of open bidding. One of eBay's favorites, especially if you're opening a new account, is definitely to sell your products in auction. I had a chat with eBay's live chat. I always chat. What eBay wants at first is always friends, to work with the right wholesaler for your products, and most importantly, to sell your products in an auction style. Not always at first. Now I'll show you how to do it. This website I'm going to show already provides that. The products on this website are unbelievably cheap, even people will understand. If I need to talk about Turkey, when you try to purchase an e-commerce product and you look at the price you will have to pay, I will give an example. In the UK market, this product is around £450 to £500. Why do they sell this product so cheaply? These are usually sourced from closed shops. These are the shops they buy from. They sell these products, so what does this mean? They have opened a shop, closed it, and in a way they have bought the products from them and are selling them on this platform. You can also buy it for yourself. If you want to buy an iPhone or other brand phones, my recommendation is that even young people can buy it for themselves. Here, the product has not been used in any way. Just for your information, it's only mentioned in the description. Of course, not all of them, but as I said, the products were from an open shop, meaning they did not succeed and the products remained with them. So, they take it away and sell it at a very reasonable price. If you want to look at products in different beauty categories, feel free, friends. You'll see for yourself that there are products at much more affordable prices, as it is detailed here. For instance, this product here is very nice, and there are even products from Dyson at very affordable prices. This product, for example, could be sold for serious money in Turkey, but don't worry. Provided you include the shipping costs in your pricing for the product, I assure you, you won't incur any losses. Do it properly. Why, for instance? Let me give you an example. If you look at the same product on eBay, which we will likely be selling on, you'll notice when we search for Dyson and type in Dyson, let's start looking at the prices from the highest price, $449. So this is a product costing around £400, friends. Here, even if we type new for the product, it's highly likely that only new products will be displayed to us because it's an auction. This product is sold at 449 points, friends. Macromar is a technology retailer, I guess. It's sold at 449 points. What's the same product given to us for here? There's a bid here, by the way, at £155. You know, if we outbid this bid at £170, let's do a calculation like this. I'm coming over here to the eBay fee calculator. No, not now. Or let me give a maximum price here. For example, it can be bought at £155 right now. If I place this bid, I have an hour. If I outbid at £155, I will directly buy this product here at £165, that is, with it shipping at £160. This product is sold on eBay for 449 points. I will pay no shipping charge. I will not charge the customer for shipping. How much does the product cost me? When I say 155 points and the product shipping is 10 points, I make a profit of 224 points from this sale, friends. Now, I don't think you can get it for less. This process is now, I come back from here, when I come to the money changer, friends, let's tell it to continue here again. I say I understand this place, I say 224 pounds, I have a profit from this sale. Well, when I come here, 224 pounds, if you only sell one daily, it is like 10,000 liras. Now, why am I telling this, friends? Now you can say that it is good, but where did I send these products? Teacher, friends, we are here in the system. Now I am creating a new package, and for this new package I have created will only be valid for my students in account management, of course, and I will update the prices here. For example, we are listing products at 449 pounds, and so on. And let's say we have made this friend this much money in this month in the record here. So when I can show you from here, it is seen here. You know what accounts and how they make sales. That's why they make so much money and make such a... I don't want to keep the price of the service so high. This is not a service for everyone. Well, I already sell it here in my own shops, almost 20 to 25 pounds per day some days. Well, there are different prices. We don't always sell at the same prices, but that's what I'm trying to say. I run it like this in my own shop already now. You might ask, how can I join this service, friends? This service isn't up to date yet. I'll inform you from Ocean Akinilmas, but what I'm trying to explain here is that you'll receive these products. You will send them to our warehouse, and the products will come from somewhere. eBay will not be a problem because everything they want is in your account. Tracking number, everything will be as they want, so it's not going to be a problem now. I'm trying to show you something here. Friends in Turkey, so when you look at it, here I am. I just came from Turkey, for instance. I have things left in my pocket, Turkish coins are left, or how much money is here. There's Turkish money here, and it's good, it's nice. Quite a lot to be fair, but almost, I'm wondering why am I saying this. If you're attempting to sell in Turkey to earn this money, you have to strive really, really hard. This is it in the UK? I mean, whatever. Let's assume this sale made you this much bucks. How much is it here? 110, I guess. Yeah, there's 110 pounds. This money, almost the profit from your sale, is staying in your pocket. Why is it so little in the UK where you can make lots of money? Basically, this is the logic of the country, friends. England might not be the most beautiful country. England might not be a country with such beautiful weather. However, when you look at it, pals, in my opinion, the UK is one of the top countries where you can make the best money, even better than America. I mean, yeah, call it. That's merely my viewpoint. In the UK, if you do business smartly, you earn all kinds of money. Hence what I've just demonstrated in this scenario. If you sell it in your own shop, you've seen different, will work leftover items, and we will make good money. A new policy eBay has brought. This is one of them. Now you might say, okay, I've already seen which platform you listed from. I will buy it myself, sell it, and send it to my intermediate warehouse. Guys, this is one of... So here in my training, I have more than 100 of them. Even for free, I showed you the product wholesalers you can buy from. You can get them without paying for them. There are those who give them in return for comments from the back. There are those who give them to get feedback, so on and so forth. Just buy these with your money. As I said, I will list all of them. If you want to buy products like this for free, make sure that you write yes in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. In this way, everyone makes better sales no matter what they say. No matter who you train, friends, you will not get the results you get. I hope you will get it. But what I said, when you understand, think about it like this. Is it more logical to sell 100 customers with 10-pound products? Dealing with it, your cargo did not arrive, it did not happen. Selling 100-pound products to 10 customers here. Does it make more sense? You will have peace of mind, you will earn more money, and your head. If he will do bigger things because he is comfortable, the choice is yours. Well, this is in 2023 to 2024. Watch all the trainings that come out. Friends, we focused on this 100, 200 selling thing. We sell it here at 10,000 points, 20,000 points. You have already seen it there, so the sales are 2,000. We've sold 10, 15 a day. So, well, you can do that too if I teach you how to do it. If you want to join this system or get information, be sure to write yes in the comments. Friends, until then, take care of yourself and say goodbye.